on this ride. I'm just making sure you guys are awake. Speaking of that, I am really tired right now. So let's make a deal. If you guys don't fall asleep while I'm telling my jokes, I won't fall asleep while I'm driving the boat.
Oh, yes.
If everyone can hear me, can I get a big thumbs up?
Yay!
Alright, we're going to start our tour by saying hello to Rocky, the water buffalo.
What is
Rocky
that?
stands
The
at
water
6 feet tall, was
buffalo.
constructed out of 310,000
The water
bricks,
buffalo.
and weighs in at 350 pounds. Want to know what Rocky says to his son every morning before coming here? Hi, son. Straight ahead of us over on our right-hand side, we have everyone's favorite tortoises, Bob and Gertrude. They have been patiently waiting for their ice hatch for the last 22 years.
And there's the
Now, I know
turtle.
tortoises are slow, but to me, that amount of
Tortoise.
time just seems a bit excessive.
And what's next?
As we make our way across water straight ahead of us, you'll see Lazy Pete, the green dragon. Accompanying him over on the left-hand side is our newest model here at Coast Cruise, the Rainbow Elephant, which was constructed out of 253,000 Lego bricks. Did you know that elephants can grow up to 4 feet? That's
No.
right, 2 in the front
No
and
elephant.
2 in the back.
What's this? The dinosaur. The boat cruise. We are on the boat cruise.
We'll now be making our way over to the African coastline to say hello to my
That's
friend
the
Elsie the
African
elephant.
coastline.
Elsie stands at 7 feet tall and was constructed out of 282,000 Lego bricks. Elsie loved to wave hi and goodbye. Everyone wave hi, Elsie.
Oh, hi, Elsie.
Now you might think that's water coming out of her trunk.
Hey, that's a
It's
boat.
not.
And the boat.
Bye, Elsie.
Elsie. And
Over on our left, you'll Dino Construction Crew. They like to try and build things out of
Dino
Legos, but
Construction
unfortunately they're
Crew.
too lazy to ever finish making them.
they not finished. It's never finished. Never finished. And then
Here at Coast Cruise, our master builders have put together a world tour for me to show you all. Our first stop is going to be London, where we have the London Eye and the Elizabeth Tower. Fun fact about the Elizabeth Tower is that the mountainside is called Big Ben.
Big Ben Tower. Oh, there's another boat. That's another boat. That's the tower.
We'll now be making our way over to the
Tower.
Lionsgate Bridge. If you look at the very top of that bridge, you'll see each of those lions is constructed out of 17,000 Lego bricks.
Yeah, there's a
And I'm
lion.
not lying about that one.
There's a lion on top of the bridge.
Coast Cruise, though, we have another name for this bridge. We like to call it the Waffle Bridge. And that's only because it looks like a waffle from underneath.
Waffle
and if
Bridge.
you didn't get that one, you could say it went right over your head.
Oh.
Passing underneath the Waffle
What's
Bridge,
this?
we'll now be
William,
making our
being
way
at a
over to
young
India, where we have
Tasma.
a mini replica of the Taj
Taj
Mahal,
Mahal.
which was constructed out of 143,000 Lego bricks.
That's the Taj Mahal. They are constructed by the Lego pieces. Winton, what's this called? Eiffel? No, this is Eiffel.
Sailing away from India, we'll now be making our way
Yeah.
over to Paris, where we have our Eiffel Tower, which was constructed out of 117,000 Lego bricks and stands at 17
Made
feet
by
tall.
Lego.
So if you look at the very top, you'll get a real Eiffel.
Eiffel.
Is that a duck? Yeah.
Returning to the USA. Our first stop is going to be the beautiful Black Hills of South Dakota Mount Rushmore, which was constructed out of 230,000 megabricks, consisting of all 4 of the president's heads combined. Oh look, a little Lego crew is cleaning out emergencies. He's been having a lot of trouble hearing recently, and he has been causing all sorts of rocky conversations. Let's hear what they have to say.
Oh, look at that's the president.
Afraid to face them?
What?
Somebody
Come on,
on top,
George.
on the
Don't you have a
bridge.
backbone? Honestly, you do. Those people are listening. Quit picking on George. Oh, come on, Lincoln. Where's your sense of humor? It's been 407 years since you said something funny, Teddy. And it'll be 74 years until you do again. Just ignore them, George.
Look,
Did anyone catch the hidden residence on top of
the
the monument?
president,
You know, the bushes.
the wind, what's that? Windmill.
The windmill makes electricity.
Đúng rồi, yeah. Windmill make electricity. Oh, look
We'll
at
now be making our way over to
Golden
mainland
Gate
USA, where we
Bridge.
have some cities such as Las Vegas, San Francisco, New York,
San
and a few other
Francisco.
notable ones within. You
Golden
should check it
Gate
out for
Bridge.
yourself. Straight ahead of us is our
What's
Statue
this?
of Liberty, which stands at
Statue
6 feet
of-
tall and was constructed out of
Statue of
122,000 Lego bricks.
Liberty.
Behind her is the New York
Oh,
Manhattan
New York
skyline,
City.
which was made out of 8 million Lego bricks. All of Winnieland uses a combined total of 60 million Lego bricks, and I can confirm this because I went and counted each individual one myself.
Oh, the boat. Look at Brooklyn Beach. Thailand.